First things first, you'll want to preheat your oven to a 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven is heating up, let's turn our attention to the acorn squashes. Slice them in half from stem to end and scoop out the seeds. Once you've done that, place the squash halves cut side up on a baking sheet. Now place 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar into the hollow of each squash half. This is where the sweet meets the savory. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste, adjusting to your preference. Then cover the squash with aluminum foil. This is an essential step to ensure the sugar doesn't burn and gives the squash a chance to soften up. Slide your prepared squash into the preheated oven and set your timer for about 1 hour. When there are about 15 minutes left on the clock, remove the foil. This allows the tops to get a bit caramelized, creating that beautiful golden brown color and adding a layer of texture to your dish. Once your timer chimes, take out your squash and give it a moment to cool down. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.